I managed to do this. And now all I do is put it into the holes and use the bolts, the screw caps to align the, there we go, we align the bolts. This time I use the washers. So I put in the first washer, and then the first bolt, and I tighten it a bit just so it can hold. Now this is not suspended by the string, it's suspended by that first bolt that I put in, and then I put in the second washer like that, put in the second bolt. Oops, I dropped the bolt. Oh, this is, I'll have to find the bolt. It probably fell down somewhere in there. Okay, I'll continue this video later.